Just gonna do a quick video. I'm trying to get my mint in a bigger container. The winter's coming, so spearmint, peppermint here. This stuff's very hardy. It'd be hard for me to try to kill it. And where it's at now, these containers are too small. And these things, I mean, I cut them back, but you know, they'll start to go down and start to take over this part of the garden. I wouldn't mind it so much, I'll be honest. I actually grow some crazy stuff like some catmint down in here. I call it my chaos gardening. I don't like bare soil, and I'd rather have clover, my mints, things that I like, taking up some space in my garden. It actually keeps the weeds out if you plant some junk like that, but I really don't want the spearmint growing in the main part of my garden. So a lot of the times I'll plant it around a border. And if I see it spreading, I cut it back real quick, I move it. Can never have enough mint. Gotta love those mojitos, huh? So, alright, I gotta get them up into the planters and I'll be right back. You can see an example of what I talked about spreading. This guy here climbed himself down, found himself a nice little chunk of dirt to hang into, and there's the root. So I'm actually gonna take that and put it in this little container here. That way I'll be able to have some spearmint up in my house. Won't have to come down in the winter. I'll cut it from the main root there. It's got the roots on it, so it should take off pretty good. But yeah, that's what these things do. They start crawling, then they'll start spreading. If you like mint, go ahead and plant one somewhere where you don't mind if it spreads, because these things spread like wildfires. Spearmint and peppermint. So I got them out of their containers. You can see how tightly those roots are. I'm gonna have to split up some of them roots, you know, cut them back. You know, once again, these roots are very strong. They'll come back. I dump them in on their heads. That mint's gonna take no damage. Just be careful not to damage the tap roots. You'll know the tap roots because they're very large. These ones were kind of meshed together pretty good because of the type of container that was used. It was meant to store 3 different plants close together, and they kind of intertwined, so it took me a while to get them roots apart. And I just got them in a bigger container, just gotta add some dirt. So I had made a spot for them yesterday, and here they are. Those things just needed more room to grow. I like my mint. I still got some hangers over there that I'm gonna end up propagating from. Cut them, and he'll grow me some more mint for the inside, because I don't want to be coming down here in the winter all the time. But yep, that's all it is. Just making sure you're getting your mints and stuff and your herbs, getting everything ready for winter. A lot of the stuff I covered with leaves. Got strawberries, my different herbs and stuff. So hope this video helps you with your mint, because you shouldn't feel any kind of caution when removing your mints, because they're very hardy. Obviously you could kill them if you're rough with them, but if you ask anyone who grew mint and it got out of control, you'll find more people whose mint got out of control than the other way around, where they killed their mint. Right behind there I got lemon balm growing. Kind of excited about that. Strawberries, the lemon balms. The lemon balm, I found a place there it grows naturally, so if the winter happens to kill these patches that I have here, I mean, I put it right on top of my the hill for my garden. I don't mind if it spreads. I like the stuff, and I know how to control it. I could use different barriers with bricks and stuff to separate the soils if I need to do that. But I'm just about trying to cover all of the bare spots without the weeds growing in, because if you look, there's all this stuff here that's ready to drop it. That's all the wild stuff that's going to seed, so that's what surrounds this garden of mine. So I try to go and pluck that stuff very carefully so it doesn't lay seed. But that's what I'm up against.